Hello! This is how I made a simple search bar in Godot. You can see me typing and playing around, and it has its own little scroll container and buttons, which sets the selected search term as the selected button. And yeah, it doesn't use regular expression. It only uses really simple string logic. So you can also see it prints out the correct term, or if the user hasn't put anything into the search bar, it will also see that. So you can also see the setup for the search bar. It's an 𝗀𝗏𝗋𝗀𝗀 container with a 𝗀𝗏𝗋𝗀𝗃 container who has the line edit. Below that we have a control to add a little bit of space, and below that we have the scroll container and the treats 𝗀𝗏𝗋𝗀. It's very sweet centered because it was for a dessert portion of my game, a sweet treat portion of my game, which is why it's very dessert themed, but it should work with any themed searches. As usual, the project is up on my Codeberg and it's under CC0. Let's get into the bulk of the code. We only need two variables, treat array, which has all the possible search terms, and favorite treat, which is the selected search term. In the ready function, we have generate choices, which appends all the string keys from the treats var in the treats array. Treat var is a global script because I plan to use the dictionaries in it and other scripts as well, but all the search variables can be in the same script. So here you can see treats var is a global, so I only have to do the name of the dictionary and get the keys and append it to the treat array. I do it for all the dictionaries, but I only show 3 here. Randomize placeholder picks a random string from text array, and this is very optional and I just wanted to add it in because I thought it looked nice. Line edit text changed. The most important bit of code is the for I loop. We go through the treat array where all the strings are stored, and if the new text begins with 3 letters that match the treat array, we make buttons that appear in the scrolling list. If the button already exists in the scrolling list, we do nothing. Now, if the new text is the input from the player, we remove all the buttons from the scrolling list. As I said treat, we set the search result and capitalize the string, and favorite treat is optional. On confirm button pressed, the line edit doesn't receive any input. We print you haven't typed a treat, but if there is a string, we set it as a favorite treat, which in a sense is a search result, and we print out the correct dessert with, in quotation mark, is a delicious sweet treat. We also have find treat dict, which finds the correct string key from all the dictionaries from treats var. And that's it, and thank you for listening.